Hello, my name is Miss Miller, and today we'll be talking about sorting by category. Essential question. How do we sort common objects into categories? Standard. Demonstrate emerging understanding of word relationships. With guidance and support, sort common objects into familiar categories. Vocabulary. Sorting and classifying involves finding things that are the same or alike and grouping them by specific traits or attributes. Some questions you could ask to guide the sorting process. How are these items the same? What do they have in common? How do we use them? What is their purpose? Sorting can be done at home. With laundry, students can sort their clothing, their socks, their shoes, their shirts, their pants. In addition, they could assist with the dishes and sort utensils, spoons, forks, and knives. Students can also sort by color at home and in the building. So potentially if they're sorting clothing at home, they could sort it by color and item, such as the color red and an item of a shirt. And here are some hands-on activities that they can do in the classroom. Here we have pom-poms that are sorted by color. Here we have Lego with a piece of paper to match the color. Here we have large boxes on a large sheet of paper with blocks and cars. So again, you could have different items and they're sorting by color. You could have the same item and they're sorting by color. And the same here. Large pieces of paper with a variety of items being sorted by color. You can also sort by shape. So here you would have a wheel, you would have the large representation of the category that should be placed in this bin. So here we have the square, the star. The student was given buttons and they had to sort it by the shape. Here you can give a student a magazine or images from a newspaper, and they would have to look through the magazine or news article to find the shape that matches. So here they cut out all the items that are circles. Here they cut out all the items that are rectangles, and here all the items that are square. And they sorted them based on the sheet of paper that they were given. Here you can do this on a sheet of paper as well. Have pre-made shapes cut out, the categories, square, rectangle, and other. And here they're focusing on two particular categories to sort, and all the others would have to be placed in the other category. In addition, you can sort by 2D and 3D shapes. You could have two bins here. So all of the flat items would go in this basket. All of the fat items, the thicker items, the 3D items would go in this basket or this circle or bin. You could also sort by size. You can start out with small and large or big and small. And students here have small cars and big trucks. Then you can move on to big, medium, and small. And these students use a bin of animals, and they had to sort through the animals to take out the big ones, medium ones, and small. And the same concept here with pom-poms. Small, medium, and large jars or containers, and students would sort based on the container. You can also sort by weight. Here there's a balance scale, and a student could be given a series of items or cards to measure them and place them on and determine if they are heavy or light. Or you can use manipulatives such as rocks. Students have light, medium, and heavy based on their weight. You can also sort by weather or seasons. Things you wear in the summer or winter, perhaps spring or fall. Also, things you can do. Build a snowman or a sandcastle. You can use youtube.com as a resource and search and sort by category. So here you have sorting by 3 groups, sorting into different categories such as food, animals, clothing, and people. Here we have sorting into 2 groups, and there's also sorting words. You can also utilize teacherspayteachers.com. And here you would search by sorting into categories. And then you would sort in ascending order to receive the free items first. And here you'll find a series of activities on different topics, such as sorting by things you push or pull, school shoes, colors, big and small, light and sound. So the possibilities are endless. Basically, you would look based on what you're looking to teach and sort. Here we have tall and short. Liveworksheets.com is another great resource. And here there's summer and winter. You could also sort the trash, things you recycle, things you do not. So the students would basically drag and drop the items into the appropriate area to sort. Boom Learning at wow.boomlearning.com is another great resource for sorting activities. You can find the matching shape. So with this particular activity, you would just drag and drop all of the circles onto the larger circle. Submit. And
find
the next
matching shapes.
You would continue on. In addition, you could also do small and big, in which you would drag the cars to the appropriate area to sort by small and big, and submit. So students would continue on to sort these items. In conclusion, sorting and classifying involves finding things that are the same or alike and grouping them by specific traits or attributes. Some questions to guide them. Are these things the same? How do we use them? Teachers Pay Teachers, YouTube, Didax, Boom Learning, and Live Worksheets have great resources and videos. Thank you for watching.